non-existent pursuant to the rules that the House of Representatives is not a continuing body, it's not a continuing institution, and all pending matters in the old Congress are automatically terminated. Kaya nga po, yung mga nakabinbin na mga panukalang batas po dyan, kailangan mong i-refile muli. Lahat ng mga resolutions, kailangan mong i-refile muli. The same case, the impeachment case that was filed by the old Congress and referred to the Senate was a product of the old Congress. Then you have to refile it. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng impeachment muli si BP Sara, i-refile mo uli yan. But the Constitution says you cannot file another impeachment case against the same official within a period of 1 year.